Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, do you want to set the password for your apps which are in your phone? If I talk about WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook या फिर किसी other app की बात करें तो उसके लिए भी. If you want to set the password for your, for the apps available in your phone, if you want to use the app safe and secure, so this is the very simple process. So please, you know, be in this video till the end so that I could brief you each and every steps here. This is very simple. So first of all, we will go to phone settings, and also meanwhile please like the video, and let's go to apps. Let's tap on it, and here you can see app lock option is here. Either you can simply go back and you can simply click on settings, and you can in settings search bar you can search app lock option, right? You can search by, you know you can find the app lock option by searching here, right? So let's go through the process so that other people can understand easily. So here I ticked on app. Now I will tap on app lock. Now here you have to I can see that it is showing as blank because it is about the password, right? So this is so secure. So I have to give here 6-digit number, right? And after giving the 6-digit password, you have to give the confirmation again, and then this interface will be showing. You can say that this screen will be showing, right? So you have to tap on this, you have to turn this on, right? And then whatever you want, if you want to set the password for WhatsApp, so you can simply go through the WhatsApp, right? You can turn this on, right? This button. If you want to set the password for YouTube, if you want to set the password for other app you are using in your phone which is very sick, if you want to use that app very safe and secure for Paytm, for other app, for example phone pay, Google Pay, and Facebook, whatever app you want to. For example, I want to set the password for Instagram, so I you can see here I already have turned this on, right? So this is how you are going to set the password simply. And after following this process, you just simply need to restart the phone, and here your problem will be fixed. So once you open the app, particular app, it will be showing as that app is already locked, you have to put the password to it. So in my case, let me show you through the Instagram. Let's tap on it. Now you can see blank screen is showing because it is asking the password to me, right? I have to put the password here, and now you can see it is now opening, right? After giving the password, because I set the password, after giving the password, it is showing me uh, whatever content I want to go through, I can go through on my Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.